We just had our very late lunch here at Nam's Resto in the town of Ubay in Bohol. So on the far corner is I think this is the Catholic Church, no? Its bells are ringing for in the last 10-15 minutes. Bakit kaya? No, so I'm right now in one of the major roads of Ubay. Ubay is unique because it has many traffic lights, surprisingly, for a municipality. We discovered that Ubay is a port of entry or exit for those going to Maasin, no, Leyte. So yung mga kasamahan ko, they eating sa nearby na 7-Eleven because kanina we practically made a tour of Bohol Island by following the circumferential road. So we took off from Tagbilaran, no, tapos made a stopover sa Baclaran Church, then pass over Hagna. Hagna is a port of entry or exit, no, for those going to Mindanao area. Just walking here, no, so buti may 7-Eleven here because it's a long drive going on the north I think northwestern part, no, of the island of Bohol. So they're buying something 7-Eleven kasi kanina when we pass Hagna wala na masyadong mga kainan, so we had difficulty finding something to eat or drink. We passed by going inland to passing through Kandihay. Problema, walang masyadong makainan up to this portion sa yung Ubay. So Bohol is, you have a lot of foreign mga visitors. You observe a lot of mga foreigners staying here, no, in Bohol. They were riding even the public transport. Hindi pa sila tapos, from here. They just go back, no, from here, yung area. So sabi nga nila itong mga Bulanon daw, they're very gentle na people, no? So you have a lot who would like to take their vacation here dahil relatively peaceful, no, yung Bohol. So I'm going back sa car, no, that we rented. This is Toyota Vios. It's still brand new kasi parang 2 months lang ata to, no? So kami yung nauna dito kaya medyo maganda yung hataw-hataw na ng bagong sasakyan. Okay, this one, the vehicle. We'll be taking off in a few minutes, going to Tubigon, mga 2 hours na ride from Ubay. Hopefully have a sunset view, no, of the area of northwestern Bohol along the coastlines. Okay, signing off.